Let's follow the step on how to hide objects outside the artboard. For the exercise, we will make a simple background like this. First, make a rectangle and fill black color. Lock layer 1, and add a new layer. Make triangle. Fill gradient color with black and red. Put it on the artboard with a position like this. Resize it. Now, Selection, Effect, and go to Transform. Make the setting like this. Finally, go to View, and Trim View. If needed, you can still edit it. Finish. Okay. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, so YouTube will recommend this video to other friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to get the latest video updates from this channel. Thank you.